video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do this eye look using this Squid Ink Cosmetics Parallelogram palette. Parallelogram. Okay, I love the fact that it is shaped like a parallelogram. And I don't even know if you guys can see it because it looks really white on the monitor right now, but there are like mathematical equations all over this palette, and it's amazing. But before I talk to you guys about what I think about it, I'm going to just hop into the tutorial. It's not really a talk through. I talked about this on the last video. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I'm going to try to put it up here for you guys just in case you haven't, but I'm not going to talk through the video. I think the videos when I'm doing close-up on my eyes are pretty self-explanatory. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section and I will be around to answer them if you want to know what it is that I'm doing. If you'd like to see how I accomplish this face, because it's a little bit different from the face of the past, let me know in the comment section and I will put that video together for you guys. I am going to stop talking now and hop right into the video.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. 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 This sees. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright guys, that is how I did this look. You know what, to be honest, I didn't know what to think about the palette when I first got it. It's, of course, just on first like look at it, it's super cute. I like the fact that there are only 8 colors inside of this palette. It comes with the mirror. It's simple. I don't like big palettes. I'm just not a fan of big palettes. I like, you know, having something just give me some basic colors to play around with. I don't want to have to sit there and take 5 years to figure out what I'm going to do with my eye. When I did this eye today, because it's a palette that I've never used before, I didn't know how the look was going to turn out, so I didn't want to do anything too crazy. So I stuck with something pretty simple using basically the entire palette. I didn't use any other colors from anything else. Everything's from this right here. And I think it turned out pretty well. What do you guys think? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. So I'm looking forward to doing more looks with this palette. Squid Ink, this is great. I cannot wait to see what else you guys come up with. I would like to do a few more looks with this palette. I think that there are a lot of things that can happen with it. It's just got some really beautiful colors inside of it. And I don't think there's anything in here that I couldn't use on myself. Also, because I am a chocolate girl, I'm not like super dark chocolate, but I am chocolatey. I'm like that milk chocolate. It's nice to see that the colors that are in this palette showed up true to what's inside of the palette. It is very pigmented. There is some fallout, but that's not uncommon for a palette. I found that like I said, the palette is like true to its colors. So you guys did a fantastic job on this. I've heard that they took about a year working on this palette, so good job. I like it, and I am very satisfied with it so far, and I really like this. So it's time to take some pictures and post this on the gram. Alright, tell me what you guys think in the comments. Let's talk about it. Do you have this palette? Do you have this palette? I would like to know. Have you used it? Do you love it? Do you not love it? Why don't you love it? Let me know all about it. And I will see you guys in the future. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you did not like this video and you give me a thumbs down, it will not hurt my feelings, because a thumbs down is really just a thumbs up upside down. If you really like this video, guys, make sure you click that subscribe button. Subscribe, because it's the right thing to do. Iska, I broke a nail.
Why are you always breaking a nail?
I broke a nail on the laptop. Like, it wasn't even my laptop. It was just, how do I keep breaking I don't know. Iska, I broke a nail. At least this time, it doesn't look too busted. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't look too bad. Like, you can't really tell. You know?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can tell? Okay.
Because it doesn't have the chrome on top.